Hi guys, this is Nicole and
hey, Jason here.
Welcome back to Honest Try TV, and today we will be reviewing the LOLYKITCH Frying Pan.
Yep.
Make life easy. So this is
I wish the name was easier.
I know, it took me a second. 3-ply bonded construction all the way to the rim for fast and even heat throughout the cookware. SUS 304 stainless steel interior, aluminum, and induction stainless steel exterior.
Oh, nice induction. Okay, that's cool.
So it's good for gas, induction, ceramic, electric, halogen, and dishwasher safe.
It's 12 inches, and we got this pan off of Amazon, actually. We wanted to test out the stainless steel to see if it doesn't horribly stain when you cook or anything like that, and it burns too. So we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside, and see how we're gonna give it a test with the, I guess, some of this ground beef. Yep. There we go.
Fresh from Costco.
And if you like to purchase it or test it out yourself, we're gonna have a link down below where you can check it out off of Amazon as well.
Right, so I'm just gonna open this like so.
Do it.
And I think. No?
I don't know if the sides, yeah, the sides may have like adhesive or something.
Okay. All right, there we go. That's everything in the box.
Sweet. All right.
Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. And as Jason mentioned, there will be a referral code if you're interested in checking this out for yourself. So inside this bubble wrap packaging here, we have the handle. If you can hear that noise in the background, it's our baby. He says hello.
The machine gun.
So LOLYKITCH. All right. We have a nice little, I don't know why you'd need a dust bag for this.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Professional tri-ply stainless steel kitchenware. I'm going to open this up. And here's our pan.
Oh, nice and shiny.
With parts. So you've got a little, what do you call this thing?
Tool, wrench.
Wrench thing?
Yeah.
To secure your handle to your pan.
Okay, cool.
And then you've got...
That's different. Usually the handle's already on there, right?
Little brochure here for their products. If you're interested in checking those out, a little explanation of how it's constructed with the aluminum in the middle, etc. And instructions for how to install your handle.
Seems pretty straightforward.
Yep.
Cool.
So you want to go ahead and do that? We've got...
Oh, look at that. So there's no rivets in the inside. You can see there it's nice and flat. Interesting. And it has these little, I guess, screws you can just attach to with the nuts there. Yeah. That's interesting. All right, let's pop out the tools and the nuts. Here we go. Here's the baggie. Pop it out. Drop the nuts. I guess, handle's really lightweight. There's almost like no weight to it. Interesting. All right, so we align the holes right there. Oh, it's not, so there's no exact tightness or exact fit to it. It's a little loose. You can see right there. So that's all right, I guess. And then we attach the nuts here, which have a cap on it. That's nice. I wonder how easily they would unscrew just by natural wear and usage of it. I guess we'll have to find that out. And we'll just tighten it up. There we go. Come on. And voila. Without super tightening, without using the actual wrench, it's kind of weak. Obviously, you can see they're shaking off. But it's nice that they give you extra parts just in case you lose them. That makes sense. Is one side larger than the other? Let's check. Oh yeah, that's bigger. That's interesting. Either way, use the smaller side. We tighten it up. Righty-tighty, as they always say, right? There we go. And okay, done. Next one. And I think that'll do it. Let's see. Let's check it out. Yep, pretty sturdy on there. Look at this is how it looks like. It's interesting though. I do like the design that there's no rivets in here. It's nice and clean and flush with everything. But I don't know how long these screws, these nuts will actually stay on with the actual usage. Either way, we'll go ahead and move forward. We'll see how it is on the actual range stovetop there. And Nicole will test out with the ground beef we have right there. Boom. Boom.
All right, so I now have my new stainless steel pan on my gas stovetop. And I'm going to heat it up on medium. And I've been advised that I need to wait for the pan to get hot and then test it with water. And if it's hot enough, then the water should bounce as opposed to just bubbling. And that will tell me that the pan is hot and ready for me to add oil. So I'll be back to demonstrate that once the pan is ready. See you in a second. Okay, so I've been heating it on medium and we're gonna, oh wow, look at that. That's interesting. It makes little...
What do I want to say? Do it again. Oh yeah. I think that shows that it's now right for the oil, right? Or so it doesn't stick directly on there.
That's so cool.
That's neat.
I'm literally just flicking the water off my fingers. That's cool. Like little beads. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add my oil now. And my ground beef. Olive oil going in. That's interesting. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the ground beef before my olive oil burns all the way up. Break this up. This pan, unfortunately, did not come with a top, right? No top. No top. So that's something to note if you're interested in purchasing it. But I will note that the handle is not high. Like, I'm able to hold it all the way up to here comfortably, no doubt. And the tip, the very tip, which you can't even see off camera right now, is cool to the touch. So yeah, this pan is really holding heat well because I've got my stove off. And my meat is still cooking. Okay guys, so we're back and we're cooked well throughout. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this into my crock pot with my other ingredients for my chili. And Jason will be back shortly to show you how well the pan survived this first little test run. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. And we'll see you in a second.
Hey everyone, Jason here. So we're back. So Nicole actually finished up making the ground beef on here. And we can take a look now. It's been sitting here for a little bit. Nothing too long, but you can see that there are some staining from the oil, obviously. Some right there, some from the actual meat. And we're going to give this stainless steel a wash now to see how much of it is actually going to retain the stain or if it's actually all going to just come out nice and clean. So give me a second. All right, we're here at the sink now. I'm going to put some water on it. I'm going to put some soap on here and set it all up and see how much of this grime we can get off of it. I'm going to be using one of these non-scratch scrub brushes. All right, let's give it a wash and hopefully everything comes out nice and easy. All right, so after a simple scrub, not too much pressure. You can still see that, yeah, it is pretty caked on there, pretty good. I'm gonna apply more pressure and add more soap and see if we can get this cake off of it. All right, so even now with some hard brush scrubbing down with the sponge that we have there, you can still see right there that there's still some remainder. Doesn't, like, you can't feel it with your thumb, so I guess it's just more staining than anything else. I'm gonna scrub some more and see if that comes off. All right, everyone. So there we go. I actually did some hard scrubbing on this time, and you can still see a light staining right there from the ground beef. And Oh, maybe right there. So I guess when you angle it, you can definitely see it. So that right there, that's staining for sure. I've tried as hard as possible to scrub on the front end. So, I mean, that is basically stainless steel. You will get staining on there. Let's check out the back. The back looks good though. There's no like burnt marks or anything like that, at least that I can tell. We have a gas range stove, so it doesn't look too bad. That looks pretty good. So, I don't know. Like I know there's always an issue with stainless steel with these little staining burn marks here that won't come off, but it's overall is a pretty good pan. Not bad. So again, you guys, this was the unboxing, review, and use of the LOLYKITCH Make Life Easy 12-inch stainless steel 3-ply bonded frying pan. And again, not bad for the first use. I hope it continues to stay not stained and burnt. But if you guys have this pan yourself, or if you'd like to try it, there'll be a link down below that you can actually use. And if you're new to the channel and you like this type of content, please subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. And we will catch you on the next one. Bye.